All right, guys, Roadside RC. This is Troy. We are here with our TRX4 again. We have the potential for a night crawl coming up. And so if we have a night crawl coming up, we are going to try to install some LED lights that will help us look down at the tires all around the vehicle to give us some light. And then we're going to try to hook it to our controller with this electronic switch, so that it'll allow us to on off from the controller. So we're going to get this body off. We're going to try to see where we want to lay out the lights, get the controller installed. Let's see how we do it. Okay, so we have the receiver box open. We plugged our switch into channel 4. We have this on this Dumbo RC channel, 6 channels. Channel 4 is here, so backwards doesn't do anything, but forwards, ta-da! Look at that. That works. So that's an option right up here for us at the top of this. So now we hooked it up to channel 3. Channel 3 is right here on this controller, and dink, dink, on and off. I feel the power. Look at that. That's kind of fun. So I don't know which one I like better, besides not hitting reverse while it's open. But do I want channel 3 down here? Do I want channel 4 up there? I don't know. Good question. Okay, so I was trying to figure out if I should try to get this whole switch in the receiver box and then just feed this out. Then I don't have to worry about it being waterproofed. But it looks like that might be kind of difficult. And so I am going to take some of this silicone conformal coating that I have. And I'm just going to coat this whole board. And then we're going to tie it up. We're going to wish it the best of luck and wire up all the lights. So we have now conformal coated the whole board here. It looks great. It looks like it got coated very well. This MG Chemicals brand seems like it works very well. So now we have to figure out where we're going to tie this to get it out of the way, make sure it doesn't hit any rolling compartments. And then it's time to take all of this wiring and start laying it out and seeing where it is that we want to put it. I'm guessing at this point, honestly, what I'm going to do is probably there's 8 of these LEDs. So that means 2 per wheel. My guess is maybe one pointing kind of ahead, one behind of each axle. And just as a test, because I don't know if I really like this yet or not, I think I'm just going to hot glue them on. I'm going to hot glue them all around. And that way, if I don't like it or if I want to remove it, it's going to be easy to pull off. All right, and then just like that, we have lights all around all the corners. 2 of them per just a little bit of glue. There's a bunch of wire that comes with this kit, so managing where that wire is going to go and snaking it along the chassis is a thing, as it turns out. It is definitely part of what you got to work on for this whole kit. And now, plugged in on the 3rd channel, and like magic, we have lights on and off at each corner, lighting up underneath the truck. Let's get it out there in the dark and see how it works at night.